All right, guys. So I'm looking at a recording I did earlier today on Bitcoin. I'm going to play it. I'm just going to show you a liquidity sweep that played out. All right, let's pull this out of the way. There we go. All right, come on now. Let's play. All right, so you see how that plays out. All right, so let's look at a cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin. I'm on a 30-minute chart. We already have our daily high and low already on with the indicator. All right, and you can barely see it, but it's the green line right here. All right, and we've had two liquidity sweeps that go in both directions. First, let's start with the bearish one. All right, here's the origin. We come out of the zone. All right, so if we would have been in the market, which this was around resistance zone, which would be the previous daily high up here, you can. So once again, you can go back to where we call areas of what supply and demand. You go back to a recent supply area. All right, now we don't know for sure what this is, but for me, it's in real time. So if I want to take this trade right now, this would be a great trade to actually take. All right, here's the origin, and we're out, and we've crossed the 23%. And I really would like to take this trade and go back down to the 50 to 61% area. Okay, this is my target. And you know what I may do? I may just go ahead and pause this video, and I would end it with this, so we can see if it come down here. It may and may not. Okay, so this is what we're looking for. We're looking for price to come into this area, and this will be a successful. And I think this would be a great way to end this particular series. All right, and so I will pause the video, and let's go back and let's see. I hope it doesn't take too long because I got other videos I need to record, but let's see. All right, I'll be back. All right, so I paused the video. It's still ranging. I don't want to hold this any longer. I got other stuff I need to do. But yeah, I mean, you can go back and look. I mean, this is on January 12th, 2025 at 12:43 p.m. We can see if it gets back down to here, but right now it's ranging back and forth around this 23% level. Like I said, price still could come back down here, or maybe it could push higher. But I don't want to hold this video any longer. All right, so this concludes our portion of this. All right, I'll see you in the next video. All right, so let's go look. It's the video you see right now. I mean, not the video, but this is the chart. Now we're back in real time, and you see that the targets hit. Now, when it was ranging back and forth, all right, um, I had a position open and I added to another position once I saw that, okay, look, we way back across this 23%. All right. And then at the time I had went and I had looked at some of the liquidity that was going on um, in the last hour. All right. And 98% was short. Now, the last couple of hours, because, now we're on a 30-minute chart, but back into this area around 1 o'clock, there was a lot of people were going long, and so I definitely added to a position, and we got it down into this box. So this trade played out; it was a success. So I did win on this particular trade. I just wanted to be able to show that as I was doing the other video series based off of that. All right, so that concludes the video. I just want to show you guys that this is the previous day high and low. All right, let me take this off so you guys can see on here, and you see this red green line up here. This is the previous high from yesterday, and we have our liquidity sweep, and we have price pull back to the range, and this is between the 50 and 61% of the range that is pulled back, and it was a successful trade. This is your boy E White. Hit the like button, subscribe. I'm out.